How do you respond to the allegations that you are secretly a member of the League of Republicans? If I were secretly a member of the League of Republicans, you wouldn't be confronting me about it now, as it would be a secret. Oh.